welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that before you leave, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review, and I did get this a unit from YSDIDWIGS on Amazon. It is their 20-inch, 150% density Brazilian headband wig in a loose wave, okay? Honey, I know y'all probably tired of me and saying, oh my God, this is my favorite, oh my God. Don't come for me because I got a lot of favorites, but sus, She might be number one, okay? Okay, she looking real number one-ish, okay? Because, honey, this body wave, though, sus. Ugh. So flipping gorgeous. Like, super soft. Look how I'm just raking through that thing. Like, feel like butter, okay? Like, the density, the cap fit, it's just perfect, okay? She's perfect. Like, now this is how you show out with a headband wig, okay? I'm just saying, this is how you show out because, honey, it don't need no frontals, don't need no closures. Like, that's it. We done with them. Like, we saving edges, okay? And we looking cute, okay? Listen, y'all know I'm all for the headband wigs. So, sis is definitely a keeper. Like, she is definitely getting rock the hell out, okay? The hell out. Because this wig is so cute. Like, look at her. Yes. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, you already know your girl got you. I'm going to drop that link down below because you need to get your hands on her, okay? I'm just saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.